Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to write summative assessment for the unit Organic and Non-Organic World, Grade 10. 10 сыныптарға арналған БЖБ тапсырмасын орындайтын боламыз, яғни түсіндіретін боламын. Task 1. Reading. Read the text about organic foods and write the letters of the paragraphs AD and which describe the given statements. Текст бойынша 4 тарау берілген, 4 параграф және 4 сөйлем. Сол қай параграфке қатысты табу керек. The first, the benefits of organic food is, it is C, paragraph C. Next, organic foods is expensive. Органикалық тамақтар қымбат дейді, яғни бұл бізде A тақырыбына келеді. Organic food is very popular these days. It can also be very costly. Some organic foods cost twice as much as non-organic food. Parents of young children and even some pet owners will pay high prices for organic food if they think it's healthier. But many others think organic food is just a waste of money. Яғни тамақтардың, бұл жерде органикалық тамақтардың қымбат жағын айтып жатыр. Next. Ensuring the originality of organic food. It is paragraph B. There is one main difference between organic and non-organic food. Organic farms don't use agricultural chemicals such as pesticides that stop insects from damaging crops. So the last one is the professional views on organic food. Бұл бізде 4-ші D тарауына келеді. Many doctors think it's more important to stop dangerous bacteria from contaminating foods. These bacteria can contaminate both organic and non-organic fruits and vegetables, and doctors recommend washing carefully before eating it. Meat, fish and chicken can also become contaminated, so washing them is also very important. Many doctors also believe we should reduce the amount of sugar in our diets, and there is a lot of evidence to support this idea. They recommend carefully checking the list of ingredients on processed food and drinks for all the words that really mean sugar. So the first, we have finished the first task. The second task, rating. Write a paragraph about advantages or disadvantages of biofuels.